Hello friends, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can stop annoying apps in your device. So annoying apps disrupt our work when we use our smartphone. So if you don't want to uh, see any ad in your device or browser, so you need to use the one app. The name of this app, Kiwi browser. Okay, we have to install it from Play Store. So you can see Play Store, and I have already installed it in my device. So you just type here Kiwi browser, and after installing in your device you have to open this app. So go open, and it is so easy to use. Just need to turn the on option. You can see we need to click the three dot. You can say I will identify for you, so click on it, and here you can see hide annoying app. Okay, so here is the option. Just mark it, and you will never face any annoying apps. So this is very useful apps. You can use it in your device and download it. So friend, today is no more, and please make sure subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.